Hello and welcome to how to apply a latex bald cap special effects makeup tutorial. And for this look I am using a bald head latex wig which cost around $7. I will be drawing the lines, mapping out the lines around my ears and face using a yellow magic marker, and of course trimming it with some scissors. I will be holding my head back with a wig cap which runs around $5, and of course adhering the bald head latex wig to my head using liquid latex. And of course I use Q-tips to dip in the liquid latex because liquid latex will destroy your brushes. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you pull your hair back off your face because you will be trimming the latex ball cap with scissors. So you want to either spray your hair back with some hairspray, pull your hair back in a ponytail really tight, or you can also wear what is called a wig cap. They come in black, they come in a white color, and they come in the color nude, and they come in chocolate brown colors as well. And for this demonstration I'm going to be using a black wig cap because the actual bald cap is a slightly transparent, and I will be able to see the black wig cap under the bald cap to trim it. And then you want to pull it back about an inch off the face. Make sure your ears are sticking out because I'm going to trim around my ears. Another great thing about the actual wig cap is when you use the bald cap, the latex pulls your hair, and this actually makes it move around easily on your head so it doesn't pull your hair. So the first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to fit it over my head, and I'm going to pull it down over my eyes and over my face. So this is how large the cap is on my face. I can barely see. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to pull this up like that. And you can see again the wig cap through the bald cap. The next thing is I'm going to take this yellow marker and I'm going to mark from here. I can see the marker. I chose a yellow marker because I didn't want to show any black lines on my face. So I'm going to just draw this around. Oops. It's kind of hard to see, so you have to take your time. I'm going to just come through here. Okay. So I have my line drawn around the perimeter of my face. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and I'm just going to trim this. So for the ears, I'm going to draw a line from here. Just kind of go up. I think that's how I want to do it. Yeah, go up here and draw the line. Coming down like that. And I'm going to take my scissors. And this is where you have to be careful not to cut your hair or your ear. So you want to make a slit, a little cut there. And then this is when you're going to kind of pull it behind the ear and see how you have to trim it. You're going to have to glue this down. Okay, pull it way out from the ear and cut down that line. Pull it way out. And I'm going to have to cut some of this off from the top of the ear. So I've already cut around my ears, and I actually made a slight mistake here on the side. So I'm going to take some of the extra latex, and then I will use the liquid latex to adhere a little patch over the ear to hide that mistake. So that's why the liquid latex is good. Also make sure you're doing a liquid latex test on your arm to make sure you're not allergic to liquid latex. So I'm going to glue this down. I'm just going to come through here with the liquid latex and just hold that down like that. I've liquid latex the wig to my head, but over here I did cut too far. It actually ripped, and that can happen. So to correct this mistake, I'm going to turn right over here, and I made a little patch, and I put liquid latex on it. I'm just going to patch right over this hole, just like that. And let that dry. If you're going out to a party, you're definitely going to need a lot more liquid latex because you're going to be moving around a lot, and you might be wearing this for 8 hours. And also apply your liquid latex with a Q-tip, because again, it will destroy all your brushes. It's very difficult to get out. If you make a mistake, use the excess latex as a patch and get you some liquid latex to just correct your mistake, because this actually ripped when I was putting it on my, pulling it behind my ears. So, thank you so much for watching this video on how to apply a latex bald cap special effects makeup tutorial. And please check out my other makeup tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and click that little gray bell icon at the bottom of the video right beside the word subscribe, so you will receive a notification of my next makeup tutorial. And thanks for watching.